Hello, my name is Jennifer Tarango, and today I'm going to share with you the Color Street compensation plan in 2021 and all the things you need to know to become a Color Street stylist. My name is Jennifer Tarango, and I help the underdog in business unlock and manifest the fighting spirit by unapologetically showing up as you. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure you do that right now, because I will be back here every Thursday giving you more tips and tricks on how to grow your online or network marketing business through social media. Okay, let's dive into the Color Street compensation plan. So what I love about the Color Street compensation plan is that there's two parts to the compensation plan. There's the sales part and the team building part. So you do not have to build a team with Color Street to make money, which is awesome. You can actually move up the ranks on the sales part of the compensation plan and reach the top ranks of that part of the compensation plan without building a team. So let's talk about the sales part of the compensation plan first. The sales part of the compensation plan, you can make anywhere from 25 to 35% off of your personal sales, and you go up to higher percentages the more you sell in a calendar month's time. And so it doesn't matter if you just got started or if you've been doing this for 2 or 3 years. If you sell more, you make a higher percentage. Now with Color Street, we also have the ability to have our own party link and make our own purchases and have our customers purchase through that party link and then get free and discounted product that we can turn around and sell for 100% profit. So that's also one of the benefits on the sales side of things, is that you can make that 100% profit off of your in-stock inventory that you don't have to buy yourself. So you can have in-stock inventory that you can turn around and sell for 100% profit that you didn't pay for. So on the sales side, if you just wanted to do that, it's like an e-commerce site, right? It's all set up for you. You automatically get your website. You paid $9.95 a month for that after your first full month in the business. So if you were to join in the middle of the month, you get the rest of that month and then the next month free. And then starting that next month is when you start paying your $9.95 a month for your website. And you can just send customers there and have them order and make a profit and earn free products through your hostess rewards. So that is the sales part of the compensation plan. Now on the other side, you have the team building side, and that's where you can build a team and then make a small percentage off of their efforts. So if they're not producing, if they're not doing well, if they're not doing sales, you're not going to get paid very much. So it's in your best interest to help your team make sales. Now, when you sign up a stylist in Color Street, you don't make any money. So make $0 off of signing somebody up as a stylist. So the only way you can make money is if you help them make sales. And that's what I love about Color Street, is because you really do have to help your team out and help them be successful for you to be successful. So another thing I love about Color Street is that there is no monthly quota. So if you wanted to take the month off, you could, but we do have something called BQ, bonus qualified, and that's our goal each month, which is $300 in sales. You can only get paid the bonuses on your team if you hit that $300 mark every calendar month. So each month that you hit it, you get the bonus off of your team sales. Now you do have to bonus qualify 1 calendar month out of every rolling 6 months. So if you bonus qualified in June, you'd have July, August, September, October, November, December. So you need to bonus qualify again in December. So you still get paid off of your personal sales no matter what. In addition to both these sides of the compensation plan, Color Street has 3 different bonuses that they have put in place to help us make extra money. One of the bonuses is called a jumpstart bonus. That's for your first 35, 65, and 95 days in Color Street. You can earn free product as well as cash bonuses. Whoop, whoop. Oh, and I know my nails are bare. Tell me in the comments if I should do pink or purple. I'm about to do my next manicure, and I'd love for you to drop in the comments pink or purple. Another one is called the Circle of Excellence, and that is for hitting $1,000 in sales within a calendar month, as well as personally adding 2 people to your team. So if you do that in a calendar month, then you will get the Circle of Excellence, and depending on your rank in the company, there's different cash bonuses that you can earn. The other one is for rank advancing and then maintaining that rank for the second month in a row. Then you get an additional cash bonus. So many ways to earn money with Color Street, and that's the basics of the Color Street compensation plan. And what I love about Color Street is that you can really make it work however you want to. If you just want to do sales, you can do that. If you just want to make $75 to cover your daughter's monthly ballet class, you can do that. If you want to put a lot of time and energy in and build up a full-time income, you can do that as well if you are willing to put in the work. So those are the basics of the Color Street compensation plan. I'm going to link my contact information below so that you can reach out to me if you're interested in learning more about Color Street, what it takes to get started, how to get started, what all is involved, what our team culture is like, how much time you need to put into the business to be successful, all the questions you might have. I am so happy to answer those for you. So I will drop that information below. Okay, I hope this was super helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. If you found value in this video, go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe, because I will be back here every Thursday giving you more tips and tricks on how to grow your online or network marketing business through social media. Okay, guys, bye.